Peripheral sutures can enhance the core suture strength and decrease the risk of gapping between repaired tendon ends. We present Q sutures as an alternative to conventional peripheral sutures. Compared to conventional running peripheral sutures, Q sutures are very easy to perform, are time-saving, and demonstrate a superior performance in resisting gapping in tendon repair.
To perform a tendon repair, begin by marking the anterior surface of one of the porcine tendon stumps with 2 points that are 10 mm from the cut tendon 1/4 of the way from the left and right sides of the tendon in the medial lateral direction. Mark each of the left and right lateral surfaces of the tendon with 1 point that is 8 mm from each cut tendon end, and locate the point in the middle of the anterior-posterior direction. Then use a vernier caliper to measure all of the lengths between each set of points. Using 4-0 sutures, insert a needle into the cut surface of one tendon stump from the middle point in the anterior-posterior direction and 1/4 of the way from the left in the medial lateral direction. Draw a region of interest around the selected neuron, and draw a second larger region of interest around the tail that includes the first region of interest. Reinsert the needle obliquely from point 3 and pass the needle transversely toward point 4. Pull out the suture to create a small loop at the lateral surface of the tendon, and reinsert the needle obliquely from point 2, passing the needle